So snoring, you also treat snoring. It's totally different than sleep apnea?
It's similar. You know, snoring is the first symptom that we look at when we want to determine if somebody has a likelihood of having sleep apnea, right? If you're snoring, you have to think, why are you making that noise? There's some kind of narrowing in the airway to cause the tissues to vibrate that lead to that really loud noise that no one can tolerate. So if you're snoring, it may just be snoring, but we want to test you to make sure that you don't have apnea.
Are they easy to treat, the snores?
Absolutely.
So snoring goes away?
Absolutely. I'd like to think that snoring is one of the first things that we can eliminate. So we're usually able to get rid of it completely, just with a simple mouthpiece.